guys, it's Mansi here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is going to be all about makeup for beginners. This video is going to be really helpful for those who want to learn makeup or who have just started to learn makeup. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing which you need to do is moisturizing your skin. You need to moisturize before applying makeup to get a good makeup base. You can use any moisturizer, whatever suits you. But guys, please make sure you don't skip this step. It's very important. I have already applied my moisturizer, so I'll be moving on to primer. So the primer which I'll be using is from Lakme. It's their Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. So primer, basically what it does, it smoothens out your skin. And also it makes your skin look more even. So if you don't have a primer or you don't want to invest in a primer, you can definitely use aloe vera gel in place of primer. It works pretty same. Guys, you need to make sure that before applying makeup, your hands are super clean. Please wash your hands before applying makeup. So the next product which I have is a foundation from Maybelline New York. It's their Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. So a foundation helps you in getting an even tone. So I'm going to apply it. So I have got some foundation on my hand. I don't like to use too much foundation, but it's definitely up to you how much you want to use. So I will be applying it on my face now with my fingers. So you need to choose your foundation according to your skin type. Like if you are an oily skin person, you should not use oil-based foundations because they are going to clog your pores. So you definitely need to choose according to your skin. So I'm going to blend my foundation with the help of a beauty blender. You can definitely use a brush. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend my foundation. Guys, in makeup, blending is the key, so you need to blend everything very well. Otherwise, your makeup is not going to look good. So you need to blend really nicely. So I am done with blending my foundation. So I'll be moving on to concealer. So the concealer which I'm using is again from Maybelline. It's the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. So you need to apply concealer on your dark circles, like on any pigmented area. I like to use it around my lips, on these corners, around my eye. It's definitely up to you where you want to use a concealer. Concealer is basically thicker than foundation. You can also apply it on your blemishes, on your dark spots. So for blending my concealer, I'll be using a concealer brush. This one is from PAC. So I'll be blending my concealer now. Guys, I'm seeing over there because I have my mirror over there. You can also use a blender to blend your concealer. So I'm done with concealing. So now to set your makeup, you need a powder. The powder which I have is from Fit Me. It's their loose finishing powder. So powder is so good for like oily skin people. It helps your makeup in lasting longer. Also, it keeps everything in place. So to set your makeup with powder, you either need to use a powder brush or a blender. I'll be using a blender. So first you need to take some powder out. Then I'll be applying it under my eyes. Some on your forehead, basically in rolling motions. It just makes your makeup matte. You don't need to apply the powder on your whole face. So now I'll be doing my brows, and for my brows I'll be using the Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. It has pencil on one side and powder on the other side. I'll be using this. If you don't have an eyebrow pencil or a brow powder, you can definitely use a black eyeshadow which you get in most of the eyeshadow palettes. You can definitely use that. I'll be using this. It's very affordable. So yeah. So the first thing which I'll do is I'll tame my brows with the help of a spoolie. Then I'm going to use the pencil side of this duo shaper. After that, I'll be using the powder side. So this one gives you very natural brows, which I really like about it. So I'm done with my brows and now I'll be doing my eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I have this palette from Huda Beauty. It's their Warm Brown Obsessions palette. So I'll be using this. You can use any palette, whatever you like. Like, you can definitely switch in your products. So for my eye makeup, first I'll be using a light eyeshadow. I'm using this fluffy eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild, I guess. Yeah. So I'm using this to just create a base. Same on the other eye. You just need to blend it very nicely, guys. After this, I'll be using this shade. This is a light brown shade. So I'm going to blend it very nicely. Just blend, blend, blend. अच्छे से blend करना है इसे. Again, I'm going to do the same on the other eye. After this, I'm taking this small brush and I'm taking a dark shade. So I'm using this shade now. And I'll just apply it on my lash line. So now I'll be taking again this big brush and again this shade, and I'm going to just blend both of these shades together. Dark one again for just a soft look. Then I'll be using this brush again and I'll be using the dark shade and apply it on my lower lash line. You can also apply liner or kajal on your upper lash line, but I'm not doing that. So now I'm taking this flat brush and I'll be taking some gold eyeshadow on it and I'll be applying it. After this, I'll be using a mascara. The mascara which I'm using is from Maybelline. It's the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So mascara basically enhances your eyelashes. It just lengthens them, thickens them and defines them. I love mascara. Like, it just makes your eyes look so dramatic. I am not blessed with very thick eyelashes, so I love using mascara. I also like to apply my mascara on my lower eyelashes. Yeah, look at this difference, guys. You do the same on the other eye. So now I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I'll do some contouring. So the product which I'll be using is from Sugar Cosmetics. It's their Contour D-Force Mini Bronzer. So I'll be using this. Contour is just about adding dimension to your face. It's all about creating shadows. So you just need to apply this contour powder underneath your cheekbones. I also like to contour my nose. So for that, I'll be using it over here. Basically, you need to use contour on the sides. So the next product which I have is a blush. The blush which I'm using is from Maybelline. It's their Fit Me blush. So it's a very beautiful blush. We basically use blush because it makes you look healthier and adds a very beautiful glow. You apply blush on the apples of your cheeks and you just sweep it upwards like this. Applying it over here and then just sweeping it upwards. This is how we apply blush. I also like to apply blush on my nose a little bit. So the next product which I have is a highlighter. It's from Maybelline. It's their Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. It's in the shade Molten Gold. Very beautiful highlighter. We basically apply highlighter on the high points of our face. It just, it's a very flattering way to add glow to your face. I just like to apply it on the tip of my nose, also on my cheekbones, yeah, a little bit on my chin too. Also, you can apply highlighter on your brow bone, also on your cupid's bow. So you know what, when you're a beginner, you should definitely try experimenting with makeup. Like, trust me, you will learn a lot. You should love doing makeup, like enjoy doing makeup. So now I'll be applying lipstick to just finish off this makeup look. The lipstick which I'll be using is Ruby Woo from MAC. It's a beautiful red color, very matte. I just love this shade. All this for today. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel guys. It really means a lot to me. Hit a big fat thumbs up, comment down below your reviews and your suggestions. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.